You know, there's a kind of wisdom in stillness. In moments when the world slows down, we often find the parts of ourselves we have forgotten. We spend so much time trying to catch up with expectations, with noise, with the next thing. But sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is pause, be present, and let the world come to you. Peace isn't always loud. Healing doesn't always look like action. Sometimes it's just the act of noticing that you are here, alive, breathing, becoming. The more you return to your breath, the more you return to yourself. And in that return, there is clarity, there is strength, there is quite joy. So breathe, grow gently, and trust the beauty that's unfolding within you. The world needs your peace, not your perfection.